In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a file to favorites in Zoho WorkDrive. Adding files to your favorites is a simple way to keep your most important documents just a click away, instead of searching through multiple folders every time. I'll walk you through the process step by step, and you can follow along in your own Zoho WorkDrive account. First, make sure you're logged into Zoho WorkDrive in your browser. From the main dashboard, go to the section called My Folders. This is where your personal files and folders are stored. You can usually find My Folders in the left-hand panel of the WorkDrive interface. Go ahead and click that, and you should see a list of your files and folders displayed in the main area. Next, locate the specific file that you want to add to your favorites. Once you've found it in the list, move your cursor to the left side of that file's name. You should see a small checkbox appear beside the file. Click on this box to select the file. When the file is selected, it will usually be highlighted, indicating that any actions you take will apply to that file. With the file selected, look for the three vertical dots, often called the More Options or Actions menu. This is typically found on the right side of the file row. Click on those three dots to open a drop-down menu with additional options for that file. In the drop-down menu, look for an option labeled Organize. This is where Zoho WorkDrive groups various organizational tools such as moving or categorizing files. Click on Organize to open a secondary set of options related specifically to how your file is managed and accessed. Within the Organize options, you should see an item called Add to Favorites. Click on Add to Favorites, and Zoho WorkDrive will immediately mark that file as a favorite. When this is done, the file will typically appear in a Favorites section, often available in the left-hand sidebar or in a dedicated view. This makes it much faster to access frequently used documents without browsing through your entire folder structure. That's all you need to do. By going to My Folders, selecting your file, opening the three-dot menu, choosing Organize, and then clicking Add to Favorites, you can keep your key files easily accessible whenever you need them.